Toss an egg yolk into the all-purpose flour, and you'll never want to do it any other way. We're going to bread this yolk really well. And carefully, guys, we're going to start lifting and taking out that gem. Now we've already removed it from there. Let's now move on to a container. Guys, if you notice, look how much easier this film comes out. Guys, it's really important to remove that film from the egg. It's what gives that unbearable smell. Here I have attested to the total of 3 gems. After removing all this film, now in a saucepan, let's start by adding 2 boxes of sour cream. Let's now add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch with the fire still off. We're gonna mix all of this up real good. Right after, you can turn on the heat and we're gonna add all our yolk. Then 5 tablespoons of chocolate powder. Here I'm using Semisweet. We're gonna use a little bit of sugar too. The amount depends on your taste. And now, let's go back to mixing. Guys, when it starts to thicken, that's the sweet spot. Look at the texture of this mousse. Once this is done, we just have to take it off the heat and transfer it to a container. Spread it out really well and then let it cool. And to decorate, I used a little chocolate powder here, but you can use any amount you like, or you can skip it altogether. And now, folks, just cut and enjoy. And look how amazing this mousse looks. It's super quick and easy to make. I hope you enjoyed it. This was another recipe here from Pour in the Kitchen. Big hug. See you next time, and it was worth it.